How to start a mechanic shop. Are you passionate about cars and want to start your own business? Starting a mechanic shop can be a great way to turn your passion into a profitable venture. In fact, the average revenue per automotive repair shop is approximately $700,000 per year, and the automotive repair industry is expected to grow at an annualized rate of 1.9% through 2026. So, when forming your own business, where do you start? In this video, we will guide you through the steps you need to take to start your own mechanic shop. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important business topics. Prior to starting any business, you need to have a solid plan in place. This includes deciding on the type of services you will offer, your target market, and your pricing strategy. Starting a mechanic shop can be expensive. You will need to secure funding to cover the cost of renting a space, buying equipment and supplies, and hiring employees. Before you can start operating your mechanic shop, you need to register your business and obtain the necessary permits from your local government. Our organization can take care of all registration processes on your behalf. You will then need to purchase a variety of tools and supplies to start your mechanic shop. This includes diagnostic equipment, lifts, and a wide range of hand tools. In today's digital age, it's important to establish an online presence for your business. This includes creating a website, setting up social media accounts, and claiming your business on Google My Business. Once your mechanic shop is up and running, it's time to start marketing your business. This includes offering promotions, attending local events, and building relationships with your customers. Starting a mechanic shop may seem overwhelming, but by following these steps, you can turn your passion for cars into a successful business. If you need more information about how to get your shop off the ground, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our business formation experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the steps for opening a mechanic shop? Is there a specific strategy that you believe works best? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to benefit your business.